Hello, welcome to Georgian Language Podcast brought to you by Peace Corps, Georgia. In Lesson 17, we will learn the verb to have with inanimate nouns and the dative case of the noun. I have in Georgian is me makvs. Me makvs. You have in Georgian is shen gakus. Shen gakus. She, he, it, has in Georgian is mas akvs. Mas akvs. We have in Georgian is çven gvakus. Çven gvakus. You have in Georgian is tkven gakvt. Tkven gakvt. They have in Georgian is mat akvt. Mat akvt. Now let's sum up what we have just learned. Me makus, shen gakus, mas akus. Çven gvakus, tkven gakuთ, mat akuთ. Note that the pronouns are in the dative case. The verb to have requires the subject in the dative case. Now let's learn the dative case. As we already know, in Georgian all nouns end with a vowel. I, a, e, o, or u. To form the dative case, we put s, a dative case marker, in the end of the noun. Let's take an example. Moxalise in the dative case is moxalises. The phrase for the volunteer has a telephone is moxalises akvs telefoni. If a noun ends in e, the final letter is dropped and s is added. Let's take an example. Amerikeli in the dative case is Amerikels. As you see, the final letter e is dropped and s, the dative case marker, is added. The same rule applies to all nouns in the plural form since they all end in ebi. Let's discuss an example. Kartvelebi in the dative case is kartvelebs. As you see, again the final letter e is dropped and s, the dative case marker, is added. The phrase for Georgians have xaçapuri is kartvelebs akvt xaçapuri. Note that the proper names ended in e directly take s in the dative case. For example, Keti in the dative case is Ketis. Georgi in the dative case is Georgis. The phrase for Georgi has water is Georgis akvs tqali. For additional practice, please review the previous sections using the pause button after each letter and word. Repeat them aloud as often as you like. This is all for now. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next lesson.